Okay, welcome my YouTube family. So if you're in the market looking to buy a property that has an ample parking space that you can live with your family, grow your kids, I would recommend this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Orchid Road. This house is selling for 240 million naira. It comes with a governor's consent, a building approval. It's available. You're coming across my channel for the very first time. Welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Take a second to like, subscribe, drop a comment what you think about this property. I know we normally do it. I'm going to take you inside. I'm going to show you what this property has in store for you, the exterior down to the interior. So watch this video to the very end, guys. Let's go to the business of the day. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are touring this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Orchid Road. So it's 2 units, this unit and this unit. But so today we'll be touring this. So if you're new to my channel, please do want to like, subscribe, share this video, and drop a comment what you think about this lovely property. Okay, so entering into this property, you will have the compound space. You can comfortably park 3 cars right here. So let me go back so you can see. So you can see how spacious compound space is. Okay. So let me go around the compound before heading inside the building. Okay. So you can see you have enough space between the building and the wall, and you also have your electric fence right here. Now this property is a self-service property. If you're looking to buy into a property where the self-service property for either residential or you want to rent it out, you can use this, and also for short lets can buy this building. Okay, so this is your scaffolding. You have your tank over there. This door leads you to the kitchen, but there's some stuff. So I'll once I enter inside, I will show you from the kitchen to this place. Okay, so we're going around. So you have this beautiful lights on the wall. So this illuminates the compound. Once it's dark, it's just brighten the compound and beautifies it. Okay. So you have tap here and drain it if you want to wash your car. Okay, so let's go inside. Okay, so stepping in, you're greeted with this beautiful security door that comes with a Matrix smart lock. So right here you have your ante room, and over there is where you have your visitors' toilet. Okay, so this is your living area. This is your living area. So over here you have your guest room. So the guest room is quite spacious. You can have your 4x6 bed right here, and you still have space to move around. Okay, so you have the wardrobe by this side. You have your bathroom also. Okay, so let's head over to the kitchen. So before going to the kitchen, let me quickly show you the living area. So this is the living area. You have these beautiful lights right here, and also your TV console by this side. Have your inbuilt speaker, and right here you have your dining area. So it comes with this light too. So you have your dining area by this side. Okay, so entering the kitchen. So this is your kitchen. You have your microwave, your oven, you have cabinets. You have your gas burner, your 5 burner. You have your heat extractor, kitchen island. You have your water heater. You have your double sink. Also, you have the washing machine. Look at the kitchen. Okay, so you have your store as well. And this door leads you to the outside. Okay, so we're done with downstairs. Let's head over to upstairs. Okay, so staircase, beautiful, comes with this glass hand railing. It's a golden handle. Comes with a suspended step. So once here, this is the family lounge. Okay. So you have access to a balcony. Okay. So I have room 1 here. So with the 4-bedroom, we have a room downstairs, 1 room downstairs, and 3 rooms upstairs. So you have your wardrobe by this side. No, as usual, all rooms come en suite. Okay, so let's head over to the second room. Still on the same floor. So you have 2 windows on this side. You have your wardrobe over there. Okay. So as usual, all rooms come in suites. You have 1 window here as well. So this is your bathroom. So it comes with a shower area, a WC, a water heater, your sanitary ware, the toilet, the bathroom, sink. Okay, so let's head over to the master's bed. So this is master's bedroom. The master's bed. So you have access to your balcony. Okay, so the window. Okay, so the title on this property is governor's consent. Okay, so this is the bathroom for the master's bed. So you have your bathtub, you have your suspended WC, the shower area. This lovely mirror with lighting by the side. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. This house is valued for 240 million naira. It's located right here in Orchid Road, Lekki, Lagos. So call the number that is showing on the screen for private home viewing, and we'll take it from there. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and God bless you.